All right. Okay. So types which represent integer numbers, including positive, negative, and zero. In practice, the most used types are int and long. The first type can store numbers from a smaller range than the second one, but it is often enough, especially in this topic, you can perform all with variables of integer types. Remainder. I feel like this is gonna bite me one day. This code demonstrates how to assign values to int variables as well as how to perform arithmetic operations with them. To improve the readability of your code, the special underscore character can be used to separate groups of digits within a number. You may also print a value of int variable. Can you not print other values like that? Versions work with long types as well. Do you have to add the L's? It must be, right? Can you add a otherwise it is int even if I yeah, but what if I do int L? What happens then? And can I add ints and L's? Probably not. Size isn't always better. Next int. Next long. Okay. The remainder, so system.out.print line input remainder 2, and then system.out.println input times 3 semicolon. What is it asking me to do? How do we get that? Oh, the remainder, and then display the then multiply the result. Got it. So let's do int remainder equals input mod 2, then int by 3 equals remainder times 3. And now we can do remainder and by 3. Nice. Four, 6, and 10. So A plus B is 10 times 10 is 100, 110. Cool. This was supposed to take 31 minutes? Find how many seconds passed between 2 moments of time on the same day. You're given the integer Input data format. The program gets the input of 6 integers, 3 defining the first moment of time in hours, minutes, seconds, and other 3 defining the second one. For example, 6 numbers 1, 2, 30, 15, 21, 1 represent 2 moments in time. Output data format, just one number, seconds between these 2 moments of time. Sorry, what? Okay, find how many seconds pass between the 2 moments of time on the day. Hours, minutes, and seconds for each of them. It is guaranteed that the earlier moments go first in the input, so it's ordered. The program gets the input of 6 integers. The first moment of time in hours, minutes, seconds, and the other 3 defining the second one. For example, 6 numbers 1, 2, 30. Yeah, 1, 2, 30, and 15, 21. Wow, this is like, imagine being new and working on this. What? 1, 2, 30, 1, 3, 20, and there's 50. The output should be seconds. Yeah, 50, 30 plus 20. What I would do is turn these into seconds so I can just do simple addition, right? So you would do like the hour, minutes, and seconds, and the output should be the difference in seconds. Yeah, so it's like, okay, well, first off, let's get the data in. So int scanner dot next int equals, and then this will be hours 1, and then we need okay, and then 1, 2, 3. So hours 2, min 1, sec 1. Here, let's do h, m, and s, and then h, m, and s, and this is 2, 2, 2. Okay, so now that we have each one, we could do int seconds, time in seconds, equals h. So first off, it's s1 plus, I hate that it's going to show me. Like, let me figure it out, dude. It's so annoying. Why do they do that? Let's say it out loud first. It would be S1 plus M1 times 60. And then it's H1 times 60 times 60. 60 minutes in an hour. So you convert to, yeah, okay. And then you would do the same thing. You would do S2, M2 times 60, and then H2 times 60 times 60. And then you simply need to do time in second. This is time in seconds 1. And then we'll have time in seconds 2. And then we just simply need to do time in seconds 2 minus time in seconds 1. And that should give us the correct answer. So let's do M1. yeah, M1 times 60, and we'll probably need some parens for it, plus parens H1 times 60 times 60. And then int time in seconds 2 equals the same as this, but with 2's. Now that I have that, I can do system dot out dot println time in seconds 2 minus in seconds 1, and then the last thing I need to do is scanner dot close. Whoa, that was a medium too. Let's go. Does it say how long it took people? Am I like, I'm trying to be a hotshot on probably what is a very easy problem in LeetCode. Let's see. Okay, can I scream? Yeah, this is like a really confusing problem just for like someone new to programming, because they need to remember the syntax and manipulate it. And then I feel like also this was straightforward to me only because like I'm sure I've done this in LeetCode before. Write a program that reads an integer value n from the standard input and outputs the result of the following arithmetic expression. What? Write a program that reads an integer value n from the standard input and outputs the results of the following. So I need to put this in the code. Feels like I should have done that one first, right? They're just out of order for some reason. Okay, we could add scanner.close now just to make sure I don't forget. And then int input equals scanner.nextInt, right? That's the sample input. And then let's do int result equals 1 parens, 2 parens, and input plus 1 times input plus 2 times input plus 3. And then let's do system.out.println result. Yeah, semicolon. I don't know why that didn't come first. Converting minutes to hours in minutes format. Oh, I think this is a remainder now, right? This is a remainder problem. So minutes sample. So I think what you do okay, I don't know how to do this. The way I would do this in JavaScript is probably 2 calculations. One is to divide and then chop off the decimal. So you get the whole number that fits in there. Then you do the modulo to find out what's left over, mod 60. Actually, I don't even think that's worth it. Okay, I know how to do this in simpler code without fancy arithmetic. Maybe it's more complex code. What you do is you start a loop subtracting 60. I know loops. I think I did them already. But you start a loop, you subtract 60, and once it's below 60, right, so I get minutes. So for 90, for example, I would do 90 minus 60. I would up the hours by 1. It becomes 30. I can't subtract 60 from that. So I break the loop, and then I would output the number of times I subtracted 60 and the remaining minutes. So that's total minutes. So for, I don't remember the syntax here, but it's for int I equals, I guess, 0, while I is less than minutes. Nope, that's not right. While I is less than, I'm not looking. Oh, I see. You can do minutes while I is less than minutes, and then you plus 60. Okay. I is less than minutes, and then I plus equals 60. Right? So like what's going to happen in this loop? I 0. We subtract 60 from minutes. Also, I actually know this won't work because I'm also going to go up by I. Why am I having trouble with this? Come on, think about it. Let's solve it real quick. Int minute. Sorry, let me check, make sure that wasn't work. We're fine. Okay, so like if I did I++, the base case has to change, right? I is less than minutes. But like I don't want that. I need I wonder if I can do while minutes is greater than 60. While minutes is greater than 60. Can you do that? I actually don't think I've ever done this in JavaScript. Greater than or equal to 60. Minutes minus equals 60. And then let's do int hours equals 0. Hours plus plus. And then it's system.out.println. What was the, hours plus hours and plus minutes plus okay, maybe an infinite loop. Oh, the semicolon got me. Fuck. Cannot find symbol of pint line. Psh. Oh my goodness. Come on. Typos. Nice. Oops. Nope. Don't want to do that. This is a weird one. From hourly grind to yearly gold. Public class. Public static. Void main new scanner. System dot in. Hourly rate next int. So that's int. Yearly salary should be long. Okay. I need to check this. I'm on call, so I can't ignore my phone. The char type is used to represent letters, both uppercase and lowercase. Each character is just a symbol enclosed in single. That's right. Single quotes. One character. This type can represent all characters in all languages. Okay, well that's bullshit. That's more than one character. Psh, Java's stupid. Oh, that's cool. So it must be a table somewhere. There's probably some crazy tricks you can do with these. Dude, I don't know. What? Bro, I don't feel the need to do these in my head. I thought it was D. Oh my god. I do not like this lesson. Dude, it's like, why would there be a compile error? Because char mystery is U-10, maybe? I don't know. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I did not enjoy that one. Keep improving your bot by developing new skills for it. We suggest a simple guessing game that will predict the age of the user. It's based on a simple math trick. First, take a look at this formula. Times 70 plus remainder 5 times 21. What? Work on this, but 18 minutes. Let's try and get this done. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing. There's 3 inputs. Enter the remainders. Yeah, so read all of them. So scanner, first off, scanner dot close, duh. Now scanner, let's see, int remainder 3 equals scanner dot next int. And now we need this scanner 5, scanner 7. Now that I have those 3, there's a formula, right? Age equals, oops, I clicked the wrong button. There we go. Age equals int age equals, and now, oh, it wants your age. Should I do like a print F and then do mod and then your age? Is that how that works? Let's see. Trying to get fancy here. Oh, I forgot those dang semicolons. Oh, it's probably not. Unknown format conversion. I don't know the digit one. Maybe it's $sign. Let's try that. Can't find a correct age in the last line of output. %D. Let's try that. Whoa, okay. Nice. Go to study plan. Oh man, everyone likes to send pings at like it's like 6:15 their time. Why are they texting me? Teacher bot to count. Oh dude, more math. What? Alright, declaring variables and assigning values. A floating point numeral refers generally to the notation of a number which contains an integer part, a fractional part, and their separator. For example, 0.01 or 3.1415. Such numbers represent fractions, which are often used in science statistics. Yeah. Java has two basic types, float and double. Oh, there's 4 number types? Come on, guys. Good old JavaScript. Are these not decimals? What? I don't think this is incorrect to say, but it feels like a non-English speaker wrote that. Maybe not a non-English, it's just a weird word choice. Separates the integer and the fractional parts. It's like we use doubles when we need decimals, right? I don't know. Am I wrong in decimals? Maybe I'm the dummy. It's also possible to assign an integer value to the double. Float variable. You must mark the assigned value with the special letter F. Float literal. That's my rice cooker. Alright. Both types can store only a limited number of significant decimal digits. Oh man, what an intricacy that could just blow you up, right? That's gnarly. Oh, I see. Oh, interesting. I would have thought. Actually, it's a different problem. JavaScript has something with like the overflow where numbers get too big and you can wrap around. I forgot what it is exactly, but it's funny that this also has a quirk, but from the sounds of it, it's because they're operated in binary form. Do other languages? I wonder if there's other languages that don't do binary form for this exact reason, to get absolute precision. Maybe it's slower, but you probably make that trade-off, right? If you need precision over speed. I don't know what I'm talking about. Reading floating point numbers. You can use a scanner to read values of both floating point types from the standard input. As mentioned above, we recommend you use double to solve programming problems. As an example, consider a program that calculates the area of a triangle. To find it, the program reads the base and the height from standard input, then multiplies them and divides them by 2. Area. What is the value of variable d? 5. These are just ints, right? So 17, 19. What am I doing? I just started adding them. Okay. A divided by B. What is that? .2 something C time. Like, what, dude? Am I supposed to do this on a piece of paper? Am I tripping out? Is this A divided by B? 12 over 5. 2 times that. It must be something like this, right? Am I insane, or is this like, what? A divided by B. A 12 divided by 5 is 2.3, right? It's over, no, it's less than half. I don't know. I feel like I don't know, 8. Am I supposed to have a calculator? What is up with this? Plus 1.1. Let's just guesstimate because I don't want to. It's a little frustrating. A8 divided by 5 is like 1 point. I don't think it's. Actually, 7 works. I think that's about right. Yeah. Because it would be like 3. And then plus 1. Okay. No. Not inaccurate. It's an approximate. Come on. Like, I feel like that's not... Approximate's a better use here, in my opinion, but whatever. Write a program that reads the distance between two cities in miles and the travel time by bus in hours and outputs the average speed of the bus. 4 minutes. So first input is miles and the travel time by bus. So int miles equals scanner.next int, and then int hour travel time scanner.next int semicolon semicolon. Let's close the scanner, and then let's also ask ourselves, do we need a float, or it's a double? Result equals travel time divided by miles. Oh, didn't even... I also just kind of guessed here. Let's take a second and ask what I'm doing. The travel time to... No, it should be miles divided by travel time, right? So if I go 100 miles, 100 divided by 2 is 50, which means we went X many miles per hour. Yeah. Okay, 2 minutes. Choose all correct statements about floating point. It is not possible to assign... that's not true. It just comes out different. The double type can store more significant digits than float. Yes. I don't know if they're more significant or if they're... It has to be more significant. Operations with them can produce an inaccurate result. Yeah. They allow you to precisely set any decimal number in the range of 0 to 1. Yeah, it's not precise. All right, it's 1 minute 30 left. I'm gonna just finish this lesson and be done. Leave page. All right. Write a program which reads a double value x and evaluates the results of x tripled cubed. The double result of the expression. What do you mean the double result? Oh, so it wants them all as doubles. Double scan. It's like just one input. Val equals scanner dot next double, and then scanner dot close. I don't know if they're doing it on purpose to make me write scanner close, because that's probably super important so you don't end up with leaks, but so it's val double cubed equals val here. Let's do squared val times val double cubed equals squared times val. Let's put semicolons, and then system dot out dot print line 1 plus val plus squared plus cubed. Actually, here, let's do double result equals this. And result. Let's try that. There's like one or two more here. Write a program that reads the density of a liquid P and the height of a column H, calculates the liquid pressure. Dude, what? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I don't know this formula. All right, so we need, first off, we need, put your code here. Double gravity equals 9.8, right? I knew that. If I remember anything from physics. Now let's close the scanner. Let's say, what are the inputs? That reads the density of a liquid P. P is liquid pressure. This must be density of a liquid, and H is the height. Okay, so double liquid density equals scanner.next double height equals scanner.next double. And now double pressure, liquid pressure, is that what it is? Liquid pressure equals density times gravity times height, and system.out.println liquid pressure. Sounds like a band name. Liquid pressure, we're here to rock you. We could get this done. Double volume math. Maybe square root of the radius. I'm not gonna read it. Fuck. Bro, it's the power probably. Math.pow. Okay. Okay. That's it. We got it. Nice. Actually, let's look at this real quick. Bro. What? That's insane. Wait, so 260? Oh, come on, man. We'll keep going, I guess. What's that? I mean, I'm doing all this math. Let's do calculate. Oh, it won't show up. Let's say I get 3 done a day. It probably will slow down, right? Maybe it'll speed up. Who knows? But let's say that's almost a year's worth. If it's 1 a day, not a year's worth, 260 days, obviously. Let's do 3 a day. That would be, here, calculator. 260 divide by 3. Oops. I don't know what's going on. 260 divided by 3 equals 86 days. Oh, And then I think so I'll be done before the end of the year. That's if I can get 3 done a day. That's not that crazy. Okay. I'm out of here.